Hey man, I don't know what happened. I don't know what's going on, but you know, I'm a little excited that the resale took a crazy dip on these guys. And this was an easy pair to add to the collection. And again, I told y'all, I only want about like, 10, 11, 12 sneakers this year. I definitely will stay under, 12 pairs this year, the way that it's looking right now, you know what I'm saying? And this is one I really, really wanted. So we're gonna check these guys out, and thank God these joints flopped from Nike's perspective. I'm so excited. We got these joints. Let's unbox them, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping back in. And first things first, man, I'm going to show you guys the scent of the day we had on that New York Knights Bond number 9. And the only reason why I pulled this one out because the homie Dantes, he was like, bro, I got some new Bond 9. I was like, you know what, let me dig into the collection a little bit and see what Bond I want to rock. And I had this New York Knights. Really love this one, the Bleecker Street. It's a couple of those gems from Bond 9. And yeah, this is the center of the day, man. If you guys are new here to the channel, right now, we need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and make sure y'all running them likes up, because every single like counts. It shows YouTube you guys enjoying the content. And yeah, just keep your boy motivated. We got, drop this content. Let me grab these real quick. And yes, sir, y'all see, and y'all seen the news. These joints right here got pushed back. They got pushed back to, I want to say, ending of May. Like, they pushed it back just a little bit, nothing too crazy. But this is something to, of course, mention. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of people's sneaker that they really want to get coming to the year. Although I do feel like people might be slightly disappointed. The grand scheme of things, we got the Toro Bravos. They are really, really clean. Just, not that pop that we all wanted. But it's still the Toros, bro. At the end of the day, it's still the Toros. And I have my pair, you know what I'm saying? I paid the high for them. And I was like, I'm pretty much just stuck with them. So again, full review on feet will be coming very, very soon, man. All right, man, let's get into today's package. And again, I was supposed to have these yesterday, bro. I'm gonna blame UPS. I was talking to him on the ring and everything. I'm like, bro, can you just drop the package off? He said it was a signature release. I said, bro, I have never signed for a package from UPS since I've been here. You know what I'm saying? He was like, oh, man, I'm sorry. They've been firing folks for letting stuff, go into people's porches without, getting signatures for them. I said, bro, come on, dog. And, of course, wasn't nobody at the crib. So, again, this was a delayed unboxing because I was supposed to be up here on YouTube yesterday to check these joints out. But without further ado, man, I'm excited, and I'm glad that they tanked. I'm glad that I waited, because I was literally about to pay like $350 for these, and I'm glad I didn't, bro. Then the resale kind of trickled back up around the release, and then it ultimately dropped again. So let's go ahead and get into these guys, man. And the box coming super dope. Y'all see what we got from the man himself, Jumpman Jack. And y'all should know exactly which ones these are. They just released, and just just admire the box for a second. And my other pair, I don't know if you guys can see. Let me scoot over real quick. Let me scoot over. Y'all see those Jumpman Jacks down there? I think the Chase B's. I'm gonna grab them here in a second. But the boxes that come with the Jumpman Jacks, I really love. So the official colorway reads CJI or CJ1 T-Rex, and I got them in a personal size 9.5, and I confirmed my 9.5 for the older pair that I had, just to make sure I was good to go. And yeah, like the presentation, everything is dope, bro. I just love the presentation with these guys. Got the brown tissue paper here, and we're gonna go ahead and flip these open and see what we have inside, bro. Let's see, man. Let's see if they live up to the hype, and I think they will. And yes, sir, bro. Yes, sir. And they smelling good. They smell like a fresh pair of kicks from a sneaker store. I don't know what it is about it, bro. They smell so good, bro. We have the Green Goblin joints. Again, I don't even know what they're calling these, bro. Let me get the official name. I don't want y'all judging me in the comment section, but we have the Jumpman Jacks officially in the collection. And if I want to say, if I'm speaking correctly, I think these released on the sneakers app as well. Not too sure. Hold on, let me see what they call it. Right here, first thing on StockX. These are called the Green Sparks. The Green Spark Jumpman Jacks are officially in the collection. And let me know, bro. Did you secure a pair? Did you pass up on them? Was this something that wasn't on your radar? For me, I was all over them, bro. I really, really wanted a pair. Like, if y'all only knew, I was watching them on GOAT. Had a couple of the homies that had them. And some of the people I usually buy some early pairs for had them. And I was like, bro, let me just wait it out, bro. Let me wait it out. And I'm glad I did, because I got these for retail. And these are kind of going for like low-key under retail on GOAT, if I'm not mistaken. I'm going to check here in a second. But yeah, man, the green spark joints, just to give you some pop, you feel me? I know a lot of people going to say, bro, you're never going to wear these. I know I can get some fresh fits out of these. The sneakers are going to speak for themselves. You don't got to do nothing too crazy on the pants or the shirt or the hat, you know what I'm saying? The sneakers are going to speak for themselves. And yeah, y'all see it, bro. Y'all see we have the Jumpman Jacks, Travis Scott's own, you know, sneaker with Jordan brand. They look a lot like the Nike trainers. They look a lot like, you know, a bunch of things, if I'm being honest, bro. But I do want to say, like, the quality and everything like that with these Jumpman Jacks, bro, is second to none. Like, the suede on the toe box, the nubuck on the upper panels of the sneaker is really nice. And I want to say potentially these have a 3M Nike swoosh, or maybe glow in the dark. I don't know what they got going on. Got some extra laces. Pretty sure this is a glow in the dark lace here. And you have some brighter green laces here. So they went crazy with the laces. They went loud and vibrant with the sneakers. And we originally seen these on Travis Scott feet, like he was courtside for one of the games. And ever since then, I was like, yo, joints is nasty. And then here goes the Chase B Jumpman Jacks. It's the only other pair that I do have. Some other ones that I really do want are the Mocha pair for sure, because I had a pair of Mocha. What did I have? I had something Mocha with, it was a Travis Scott Mocha Jordan collab, I want to say. Y'all help me in the comment section, but I'm going to look back at those joints, because I got some nice wears at them, got some nice fits. And yeah, bro, I'm trying to limit the reach backs, because I've been going a little too crazy. But in terms of, you know, that being a reach back, I got to hurry up, add that one to the list right here, man. But again, we have the Chase B's here with the pink lace swap, super nasty. And then we have the new T-Rex green spark, guys. So again, let me know how y'all feeling them. Cop, drop, pass. How y'all feeling these joints? I need to see the comments down below. Drop some fire emojis, some trash emojis. Let me know something, bro. But again, the resale took a nasty little, oh yeah, $22 below retail on StockX. And I'm already knowing on GOAT, it's probably around that same price range. So again, I'm glad I waited, bro. I am glad I waited on these. I saved some money for sure. Well, not really, because I could have got it from the retail. We'll see. Let me see. I paid like $240 after everything. They go for $208 on GOAT. I would have preferred to get them on GOAT. So it would have balanced out to about $240. So, you know, it's a win at the end of the day. A win is a win. But yeah, guys, I appreciate everybody for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about these green spark, guys. I know they're not for everybody, which I kind of see why the release kind of flopped in a lot of people's eyes. But me, I love them, bro. Again, I tell you, I get what I like, bro. Shoe can sit, it can sell out. It don't matter. If I like it, I'm 9 times out of 10 gonna get them, guys. But make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, run them likes up. All that's been said, man, your boy The Vintage. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.